Master Construction has been around for over 50 years, always using the latest design and technology to produce sustainable and high-quality construction services for North America. The problem our team has been working hard to tackle is corrosion damages to reinforced concrete structures. Many modern-day structures rely on steel beams to provide bending support on concrete. This helps prevent cracks and reduces stress on the concrete themselves. However, a major problem comes with using these steel beams as supports. When exposed to moisture and air, steel beams undergo an oxidation reaction, causing the buildup of rust on the metal. Unfortunately, this rust is much less malleable and is unable to provide the same type of tensile support we need for our buildings to survive. On top of that, the rust is much larger than the steel beams, increasing the weight and pressure exerted on the concrete of the structure and causing even more stress. As a result, more cracks and damages will occur on the building, decreasing the lifespan of the building to as little as 10 years. Luckily for us, this problem has already been dealt with through the process of galvanization. Painting a coating of zinc around the steel beams creates a barrier between the steel beam and the outside environment. This will prevent the reaction which creates rust. It's great that we have this issue resolved, so that a lot of structures we build today will be able to survive and not have to face corrosion damages. But we are missing something very important. There are still many buildings already built without galvanizing. These buildings will face corrosion damages and will need to be repaired immediately. Normal repairing methods involve the removal of concrete from the building, replacing the steel beams with new ones that have been galvanized, and placing new concrete. This process is a lot of work, expensive, and costs a lot of CO2 emissions from the vehicles and tools needed. Our team of engineers have worked rigorously and produced a solution that will be used for several reparation projects in the region of Waterloo. This new solution will be cost-effective, less heavy work, and more environmentally friendly. Through the combination of mechanical, shear, and moment concepts, as well as biochemistry, we will be able to repair corrosion damages to concrete structures. This new solution takes 5 steps to complete. The first step is examining the building to locate critical shear and moment zones. The second step is calculating the amount of solution we need. These solutions will be a microbial bacteria solution to remove the rust and a zinc coating to separate the steel beams from the environment. The third step is drilling a hole down the concrete, avoiding these critical shear moment zones to gain direct access to the beam. Step 4 involves applying these solutions through a funnel and removing all the rust in the steel beams, as well as applying the zinc coating such that the steel beams won't rust again. And the final step would be repairing all the concrete damages that already exist in the building, such that it can have a long and stable life. Thank you for listening to this informative video by Master Construction.